Hi, welcome to Bruce's Garage. I'm Bruce and this is my garage. We have made it. This is the 5th episode in my new car series. And today we're going to apply the ceramic coating to the exterior paint surfaces of the 2024 Honda CR-V. I'm going to walk you through my process, how I applied the coating. Then you're going to get to see just how hydrophobic it is and how much the water is just completely rejected from the surface of the vehicle. So come on in and let's have some fun. So at this point, the car has been completely washed, been chemically and mechanically decontaminated, and I have done a complete polish of the vehicle as well. So now we're ready to go ahead and prep for ceramic coating. Today I'm going to be using Armor Detail Supply ceramic coating products. I have used their wheel coating before and had really good luck with it, so I wanted to try some of the other products. So my goal today is to coat the paint, and I'm going to start with the Armor Detail Supply Pro Quartz coating. I'm going to put that on the vehicle, and then I'm going to be moving to their regular quartz coating. So I'm going to start with the Pro. So I'm going to do a 2-layer coating. This should get several years. I think the Pro coating is rated for 5-year protection. So once you're done, the next thing you have to do is you have to do panel prep. The panel prep is designed to remove any remaining oils that are left over from the polish itself. And that's important because remember that the ceramic coating is going to chemically bond with the paint surface. You do not want anything interfering with that chemical bonding because that will obviously impact the longevity of the coating and its effectiveness. Therefore, you always go over with panel prep. Now we're ready to apply the panel prep spray. Again, the instructions are to spray directly on the surface and allow to dwell for 15 to 30 seconds. Again, this removes any remaining oils or anything that's on the surface that we're going to coat that could impact the coating from bonding with the surface. So very simple, just wiping across. Can flip my microfiber towel. It's getting too wet. That's all there is to it. Simple process. I'm ready to do the first layer of coating. This is the Armor Detail Supply Pro coating. See, it just comes in a small bottle, and it comes with one applicator and some really thorough instructions, which I really like about Armor. They provide some really great instructions. Once you're done with the coating, it's all leveled off. Here's a couple things that, and I have a video about ceramic coating and how to preserve it, but one of the things that's really important is that first few days after the coatings. All right, so I'm ready to apply the coating. I've got the coating right here. First thing you always want to do is shake. I'm going to start on the green side of this pad. Again, coated pretty thoroughly on there. And then remember, I'm going to do the X. And then I'm going to box in that X. And then the circular motion. All right, so now I'm going to start my timer. I have a short nap towel ready. And this short nap towel that I'm using is actually the rag company's Rip and Rag, which in theory are disposable if you'd like. And that's perfect for coatings because typically towels kind of get covered with coating, they're no good anymore. So that's what I'm using in this case. All right, so we have the hood completely done. I'm now going to do this front fender here. And again, I shook up the bottle, applied just a little bit of coating there. It doesn't need a whole lot. And this I'm going to do a little bit different because trying to do an X here would be a little challenging. So I'm going all the way straight down, getting into these little small spots here. And the circular motions, again, are designed to ensure that you're getting a fairly even level of coating. I'm going to go ahead and coat this trim here as well. I'm going to start my timer. Now what I've done is I've set my stopwatch for 3 minutes, and typically that's at about the 2.5 minute mark is when I've needed to start to level the coating. On this side of the car, I'm seeing this flash maybe just a little bit earlier, and it may be because I've got the hot light here as well. I'm in a different part of the garage. So, you know, the other side here, it might be that it's a little bit warmer. So I'm going to begin to level this. Follow it up with my longer nap towel. This coating is pretty slick. Leveling is an extremely important step. You want to make sure that coating is level and even across the surface, giving a nice gloss appearance and great protection. Again, if you have high spots, you'll start to see darker and lighter spots show up, meaning that the coverage was not equal. Now I've got a pretty bright light here with recording, and sometimes I find that less light is better or a more direct light. So sometimes in here I've turned out the overhead lights and then just use my handheld paint correction light to make sure that I don't have any high spots. This is looking really good. Well, I hope you enjoyed the ceramic coating of my 2024 Honda in the New Car Series. I got to tell you, it looks really great, fully ceramic coated. I don't know how much you can tell in the video. The thing is just super glossy. The water just slides off the surface. It almost like dries itself. When I sprayed all that water on there with the pressure washer, it was just falling off the vehicle and nearly like dried itself. It really is fun watching a ceramic coating on the vehicle and how well they perform. I hope you've learned about how easy it is to apply a coating. You can do this at home. Believe me, this is something you can do. Watch some videos. Hopefully this information that I provided you was helpful. Reach out. There's a lot of people willing to help you be successful as a detailer in your own garage. I'd appreciate the thumbs up. I've got some other videos on ceramic coating that I'll link up here at the end. They're also linked in the show description. Take a look at some of those and give it a try. And most importantly, just go out and have some fun.